Hello students, in this video we are going to start chapter 13 surface area and volume. Student, this is the introduction video of this chapter. Student, you have understood what rectangles, squares and circle are, what we mean by their perimeters and areas, and how can we find them. We have learned these in the earlier classes. It would be interesting to say that what happen if we cut out many of these plain figure of same shape and the size from the cardboard sheet and stack them up in a vertical pile. By this process, we shall obtain some solid figures such as the cuboid, cylinder, etc. In the earlier classes, you have learned to find the surface area and the volume of cuboids, cubes and cylinders. We shall now learn to find the surface area and the volume of cuboids and cylinder in detail and extend this study to some other solids such as a cone and sphere. Let's start. We start from the cuboid and cube. In our daily day-to-day life, we come across objects like a wooden box, a matchbox, a tea packet, and the chalk box, a dice, a book, etc. All these objects are made of 6 rectangular plane regions. These objects are in the shape of a cuboid. So, cuboid is a solid bounded by the 6 rectangular plane regions. This is examples of cube and cuboid. Now, surface area of cuboid. As we have seen that the surface area cuboid consists of 6 rectangular faces. Surface area of cuboid equals to the sum of this area of its 6 rectangular faces. Consider a cuboid whose length is L centimeter, breadth is B centimeter and height is H centimeter. That is shown in the figure. Now, area of top face EFGH is a rectangular shape, length into breadth. Area of this face is a length into breadth, centimeter square. Area of the bottom face ABCD, that is a length into breadth, centimeter square. Area of side face AEHD, B into H centimeter square. Area of side face BFGC, B into H centimeter square. Area of front face ABFE, L into H centimeter square. Area of back face DHGC is equal to L into H centimeter square. The total surface area of the cuboid, the sum of the area of all its 6 faces. The first is the LB, second is the LB, and the third is the BH, and the fourth is a BH, and the fifth one is a LH, and the last is a LH. Then we add all the faces. Then we get 2LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. 2 is a common. Then all 3 terms we can take the 2 as a common. Then we get the 2 into LB plus BH plus LH centimeter square. So the formula of the total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH centimeter square or meter square. That is depend upon the units which have given. Now next is the surface area of cube. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal is called a cube. So the surface area of cube is equal to, you can see in the figure, all the sides are equal, length, breadth and the height all are A. So the surface area of cube is equal to 2 into A into A plus A into A plus A into A. That is equal to 2 into A square plus A square plus A square, that is equal to 6A square. So the surface area of cube is 6A square. Now the lateral surface area of a cuboid. See, lateral surface area and the curved surface area is the same thing. If out of the 6 faces of cuboid, we only find the sum of area of 4 faces leaving the bottom and top face, this sum is called the lateral surface area of cuboid. So, lateral surface area of cuboid, that is equal to area of face AEHD plus area of face BFGC plus area of face ADFE plus area of face DHGC, that is equal to B into H plus B into H plus L into H plus L into H. We have 2BH, so we can write 2 into BH and 2 into LH. 2H we can take as a common, so the lateral surface area of cuboid is 2H into L plus B. So the lateral surface area of cube, that is equal to 2 into all LBH is equal to AA. So 2 into L in A into A plus A into A, that is equal to 2 into A square plus A square, that is equal to 4A square. So the lateral surface area of cube is 4A square. Now next is the surface area of right circular cylinder. Right? If a rectangle is revolved about one of its side as it axis, the solid so formed is called a right circular cylinder. So consider a right circular cylinder of the radius is R and the height is H. So the area of the lateral surface area of the cylinder, that is equal to area of a rectangle. So area of rectangle is the L into B. L, that is equal to the circumference of the circle, that is equal to 2 pi r. So L is equal to 2 pi r into H, that is equal to 2 pi r into square unit. So other method of finding surface area of cylinder with the help of paper. If you have a cut a hollow cylinder along the axis and separate the piece, it becomes a rectangle whose one side is H and other side is, that is equal to circumference of the circle. So surface area of the cylinder, that is equal to area of rectangle, that is equal to 2 pi r H. Thus for a cylinder of the radius r plus height is H, we have the lateral surface area is 2 pi r H square unit and the each base is a pi r square. We have two base, top and bottom. So the total surface area, we will add the lateral surface area plus the bottom and top. Okay, top and bottom are in the cylinder in circle shape. So the area of the circle is a pi r square. So we add these 2 pi r square in the lateral surface area. Then we get the total surface area, that is equal to 2 pi r H plus 2 pi r square. 2 pi r is a common, so we take as a common 2 pi r into H plus r square units. Now outer curved surface area of cylinder, we can find this by the activity. Keep bangle of the same radius one over the another, it will be form a cylinder. You can see. Yes, the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, formating a cylinder by the bangles. It is the area covered by the outer surface of the cylinder. So the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. The area covered by the cylinder, that is the surface area of the cylinder into height. So the surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r into height, 2 pi r H. So the total surface area of the cylinder is curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r H. Now total surface area of the solid cylinder, the curved surface area. This curved surface area and the area of top and bottom, that is a circular shape. Area of the curved surface plus area of two circular surface. Area of the curved surface, as we know that 2 pi r into H, and the area of two circular surface 2 pi r square. Then we add for these two. Then we get 2 pi r into h plus r. So the total surface area of solid cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Now the surface area of right circular cone. Take a You can take a circular plane figure. You cut out a sector of the circle and rolled it up to make the cone. You can see in this slide. And each cut portion is nearly a small triangle. So the curved surface area of the cone, that is equal to area of this sector VAB. That is each cut portion is nearly a small triangle. So the area of this cone is half into each arc into radius. Half into length of each arc is 2 pi r into radius is that is L. So the curved surface area of the cone is pi r L. Curved surface area of the cone is a pi r L, and the total surface area of the cone, then we add the circular surface, that is a pi r square. Then we get pi r L plus pi r square. At the last we get pi r into L plus r. So the total surface area of cone is pi r into L plus r. Now the surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. The curved surface area of hemisphere. Hemisphere is a half of the sphere. So the curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So total surface area of hemisphere. In the hemisphere, in total surface area, we will add the area of the circular surface. So we add the pi r square in curved surface area. Then we get the total surface area of hemisphere, that is equal to 3 pi r square. Now next is the volume. Volume is a nothing but the space occupied by a solid. We can also say that the capacity of the object is known as the volume of the object. Now we will discuss about the volume of cuboid. So the volume of the cuboid is the base area into height. The base area, that is the shape of rectangle, length into breadth, then multiply by height. So the volume of the cone is the length into breadth into height. So volume of cube, all sides are A. The area of the base is equal to A square. The height of is A. So the volume of the cube, that is equal to area of base into height, that is equal to A square into A, that is equal to A cube. And always the unit of the volume is unit cube. Volume of the cube is A cube unit cube. Now the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder, that is equal to area of base into vertical height. The area of base, that is a circle surface. Area of base is a circular surface. The area of the circular is pi r. So in multiply by vertical height, that is equal to h. So the volume of the cylinder is pi r square into h. This is a cone and this is a slant height. And L denoted by the slant height, and the H is the height, and R denoted by the radius of the cone. These are the shape of the cone that is a given. So next is the volume of cone. Here the vertical height and the radius of the cylinder and the cone are same. You can see a conical cup of radius r and the height h. Also take a cylindrical jar or of radius r and the height h. Fill the cup with the water up to the brim and transfer the water into the jar. Repeat the process 3 times more. Then the cylindrical jar will be filled up completely. So the 3 times of the volume of the cone, that is equal to volume of the cylinder, or we can say that the volume of the cylinder is equal to 3 times the volume of the cone. So the volume of the cone is 3 into V, that is the volume of the cylinder. As we know that the pi r square h, and the 3 in the multiply in this side, it will be divided by other side. So the volume of the cone, that is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. If both cylinder and the cone have the same height and the radius, then the volume of the cylinder is 3 times the volume of the cone. You can see Mr. Mohan has only little jar of the juice. He wants to distribute it to the 3 friends. This time he chooses a cone shaped glass, so the quantity of the juice seems to be applicable. These are the formula of the area and the volume of the different geometrical figure. The surface area of cube is 6a square and the volume is a cube. Surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. This is a curved surface area and the volume is pi r square h. Surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone is a pi r l and the volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Curved surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square and the volume is 1 by 3 pi r cube. The volume of the sphere. Here the vertical height and the radius of the cone are the same as the radius of the sphere. Take a conical cup of radius r and the h height. Also take the spherical jar of radius r and fill the cup of the water up to the prism and transfer the water to the jar. Repeat the process. You can see how many times it's. Yes, 4 times. So the volume of the sphere, that is equal to 4 into volume of cone. 4 times of the volume of the cone, or the volume of the sphere is equal to 4 into volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is equal to, we know that the 1 by 3 pi r square h. Put this value. We know that the r and h is equal. So it becomes 4 into 1 by 3 pi r cube. So the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. If we make a cone having a radius and the height equal to the radius of the sphere, then a water filled cone can fill the sphere in 4 times. So the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. If r is equal to h, then the volume of sphere is 1 by 3 4 by 3 pi r cube. So the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of right circular cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of sphere, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. And the volume of hemisphere, that is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Student, this is the introduction part of chapter 13. Next video we will start the questions of related this formula. Till then, bye bye.